All right, happy Friday, boys and girls. I'm so excited that we have made it to the end of another week of learning, and we are very close to the end of first grade. So what we're going to work on today is doing some more graphing. And so if you look at your math packet, you should be on this very last one, May 21st, 1 MDA 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to collect some data, and what it tells you to do is to ask 10 friends or family members. If you don't have 10 people near you that you can ask, or you could either pick up the phone and call somebody and just ask them. If you don't have 10 people that you can reach out to, just do as many as you can. The important thing is that we learn and review this graphing and being able to answer the questions that it has for us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause my part of the video, and then when I come back, I'll have my 10 people that I've asked. And so I'm asking them, which do you like better? Do you like cats or dogs the best? So when I come back, I'll tell you who their votes were, and we'll tally those up. All right, we are back, and I have asked my 10 friends or family members which one they like the best. And so my dad said dogs, my mom said cats, my husband said dogs, his mom said dogs, his sister said dogs, my brother said dogs, I said cats. So when you're asking, you can also put your vote on there as well. I said cats, my best friend said cats, a couple from our church, one said dogs and one said cats. So that's, if I go and check, that's 10 votes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You don't want to go past 10 because we want to make sure we're following those directions. So after you have your data, then we have 3 questions that we need to answer from our data. So your answer and my answers might be different because you may have more people who like cats and less people who like dogs, or more people who like chocolate and less people who like vanilla, I think is the topic that it gives you. But just for examples, we're going to look at this. So which one had the most votes? Remember, most means more. So if cats had 4 and dogs had 6, then which one had the most votes? Right, dogs. All right. Second question said which had the least votes. Which one had the least, the smallest? All of those words mean least. So if dogs had the most, then we know that cats have the least because there are only 2 choices for this type of tally chart. And our last question is the one that's a little bit trickier. It says, what's the difference? The difference means that that's the answer you get when you subtract. So when we add 2 numbers, the answer is the sum, but when we subtract 2 numbers, then the answer is the difference. So that word difference lets me know I have to subtract. So I have to subtract the between the favorite and the least favorite. So the favorite was the dogs. So I'm going to do 6 minus 4 equals blank. So that's the difference. Whatever it equals is called the difference. So if I have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I take away 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 2 left. So the difference is 2. So on yours, you're going to ask 10 people if they prefer chocolate or vanilla ice cream. You're going to tally your answers in each box. Which flavor had the most votes? Which flavor had the least votes? And what's the difference? Remember, that means you're just going to subtract, but you have to start with the biggest number first when we subtract. Afterwards, you can do iReady lesson or choose a math game, and then you have finished your 3rd packet for math. Congratulations, boys and girls. Love you, miss you.